As husband and wife, one in name, one name.
I promise to you, honey, to center our marriage around the love of Jesus, believing that as we draw closer to Him, our love for each other will flourish.
Sneak away. There is no time to waste.
And in this journey of marriage, I commit to praying for you, supporting your walk with Christ, and creating a home where His presence is felt and sustained.
Holding on to one another, intertwine the threads to hold through.
To Daddy and Mommy, she's in safe hands and there is no cause for any concerns. Daddy just letting you know, terms and conditions applied and no refund policy.
I promise to cherish and stand by you from this day until we stand before the Lord and until life's end. This is a testament to my love and commitment to you, my beloved bride.
Carve your name into my everyday. Set the pace. You won't be over.
Take you, honey, to step out. Truly, my love for you.
Every memory will
God has foundation.
every story will unfold. We'll have each
ദൈവം യോജിപ്പിച്ചതിനെ മനുഷ്യൻ
as we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Danny George.
Baby,